Hey guys, Vimal here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very interesting, guys. This is not a regular tech kind of video, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be super useful for a lot of people out there. On that note, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. So lately my parents have been saying they've been having some back related issues. Despite sleeping long hours during night time also, they're not feeling rested enough and they're waking up with neck stiffness, back pain issues and stuff like that. And that is when I thought it is high time I actually change their mattress. So how do people actually buy mattresses? I'm pretty sure most of the people just go to their nearby store, check out different models, sit on the mattress for 2 to 3 minutes, and that is how they decide, right? This definitely feels nice, so we'll go ahead with this. But honestly, that is not how you actually buy a mattress, guys. I mean, you'll have to use the mattress personally, sleep on it for a couple of days, and then you'll be able to tell if it is good or not. So that is where I actually came across this brand called Wakefit, guys. Now Wakefit is very popular in India, and you people know, right? Wakefit is offering 100 days of risk-free trial. That means you can actually order this product, get it delivered at your place, and use it for up to 100 days, guys. And then later you can decide if you like the product, or if you don't want, you can even return the product as well. That is the reason I've ordered this brand new mattress, guys. This is Wakefit ShapeSense Orthopedic Classic Memory Foam Mattress, and is specially made for back related issues. And as you people can see, I've already been using the mattress for the last couple of days. It's been almost 2 to 3 weeks I've got this delivered at my place, and today in this video I'll be sharing my experience. What do I feel about this mattress that I've been using for quite some time? We'll talk about the overall build quality, comfort quality as well. We'll talk about the internal layers as well. So plenty of useful information, guys. So make sure to watch this video till the end. On that note, let me actually quickly show you how the whole packaging came and share my unboxing experience about this product. So our brand new mattress from Wakefit came in this sort of packaging in a compressed vacuum sealed sort of roll. And benefit is this sort of packaging makes delivery very convenient. So even if you stay at an apartment or even high-rise building also, right, nothing to worry about. You can easily move it around and the delivery can be done without the need of multiple people, guys. So definitely appreciate that. Even the whole unboxing experience was also super easy. You just need to take the mattress roll out of the packing, use this plastic knife that was already included in the package, and cut open this outer cover. And once you do that, mattress will automatically start expanding just like this. Also, my small advice over here is don't start using it immediately. Give the mattress some time to settle down. It'll expand fully and regain its original shape. That is when you'll experience the mattress as intended. So that was our quick unboxing part. Now let me give you a closer look at the mattress, and first of all talk about the whole design, build quality and different layers you're getting. Have a look at the mattress, guys. So as I've told you at the beginning, ours is Wakefit ShapeSense Orthopedic Classic Memory Foam Mattress, and this one actually offers charcoal infused 3-layer mattress and offers medium level firmness. Best part about this orthopedic series is these mattresses are specially designed so that they adapt to your spine naturally for a good back support. Our classic variant of the mattress comes in this nice space gray sort of color, and look at the whole finishing as well, guys. The fabric quality, stitching quality, everything feels pretty nice, right? We'll definitely talk about the whole 3-layer structure and build quality as well in a moment. Keeping that aside, so this particular mattress is available in multiple size variants and thickness variants as well, guys. So before actually placing your order, make sure to properly measure your bed size, and after that only place the right size variant order. So you can actually check out their website for all the details. You've got multiple size variants available and different thickness variants as well. You're getting 5 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches, up to 10 inch variants are also available, guys. Totally depends on your requirement and the user's weight as well. For example, if the person's weight is between 50 to 55 kgs, right, 5 inches is more than enough. And maybe for 65 inches weight, you can go for the 6 inch variant. So totally depends on the user. The model we have over here is the 8 inch thickness variant. But thing is, right, most of the mattresses do not maintain their structural integrity. On top of that, they come with vacuum packed roll structure from the manufacturing unit, right? So they do not expand to their original size. So to give you a quick demo, right, let me just bring my measuring tape and show you the actual thickness in real life over here and see if it is actually 8 inches or not. Okay, there you go. As you people can see, the mattress is definitely around 8 inches thickness, guys. So nothing to worry about that. It has fully expanded and got to its original shape. Do keep in mind that it will take some time once you unbox it to get back to its original shape. Just give it some time, use it for a couple of hours, sit on it, and nothing to worry about that. It will get back to its original structure. All thanks to Wakefit's true density foam that is used on the inside. Alright, what I'll do is I'll give you a closer look at the mattress and talk about its outer cover and also all the 3 different layers you're getting inside the mattress. So this outer cover is called as Aerotex knit fabric, and it comes in this beautiful space gray color combination, guys. Has a nice pattern over here and definitely feels quite premium, guys. Soft touch material, and best part is this fabric is breathable, guys. So that means there's plenty of air circulation happening and there is no heat trapped over here. So it doesn't make your body sweat when you're sleeping on it, guys. One more thing I have to mention is this whole outer fabric is also hypoallergenic, so definitely appreciate that. It's suitable for like all sort of skin types, not an issue at all. And one more thing I have to highlight is this whole outer cover is also removable. You're getting a zippered design on the bottom side, which you can easily unzip like this and wash the outer cover every once in a while to keep it hygiene and clean. So let me talk about the different layers that you're getting on board. The top layer of this mattress is a 1.5 inches charcoal infused 32 density orthopedic memory foam. So main highlight of this mattress is it comes with Wakefit ShapeSense technology. So once you sleep on the mattress, right, the mattress will automatically adapt to your body shape. Either you're a back sleeper, side sleeper, or even if you keep constantly change your position also during night time, nothing to worry about that. Mattress will automatically adapt your body posture and helps you maintain your natural spine alignment. And on top of that, it is charcoal infused, right? Charcoal infusion improves overall airflow and breathability as well. Now coming over to the second layer, or you can even call it like middle layer, this one is a 2.5 inches high resilience support layer. So this is where the whole orthopedic support comes from and basically helps you distribute your body weight evenly across the mattress and supports different areas of your back wherever it needs the most support, guys. Basically adds like firmness to the mattress. That is what this support layer does. And lastly, on the bottom layer, you're getting a 28 density stability foam, and this acts like the main foundation of the mattress. So basically improves overall durability, maintains the mattress structural integrity, and also resists any sort of wear over time. Basically prevents sinking in the mattress, guys. So it's like the foundation of your mattress. So let me share you my experience, how I felt basically using this mattress for the last couple of days. At the beginning only I've told you, right, I've had this mattress at my place for almost 2 to 3 weeks now, and the main reason I bought this was for my parents, guys, because they've been having like back issues and all of that, right? And let me tell you, overall experience was quite good over here. The mattress definitely feels soft and cushiony, but at the same time offers like good amount of firmness as well. Very comfortable experience. Not to forget, there's plenty of breathability also. The top layer is charcoal infused, plus combine that with like a breathable Aerotex knit fabric outer cover. There is plenty of airflow and circulation happening, so your body doesn't feel sweaty that much, especially during your sleep. One more interesting feature I have to talk about is motion isolation feature. So what happens with your regular mattresses is when there are like 2 people sleeping on a mattress, and say suppose one person starts moving during night time, right, other person will definitely feel it, guys, and your sleep basically gets disturbed when the other person is moving. But that is not the case over here. This particular mattress comes with like motion isolation feature, guys, and basically offers like zero partner disturbance. So even if someone is moving or maybe trying to change their position during night time, right, other person will not be able to feel the disturbance. And to actually put this to a test, right, what I'll do is I'll bring like a glass of water, place it on one side of the mattress over here, and on the other side I'll try to get on the mattress and do some sort of action, walking, jumping or something like that, and see if it actually works. Oh wow, are you people looking at that? I mean, despite I've been moving like quite rigorously over here, the glass of water doesn't seem to be disturbed. So this can be super useful in real life situations, especially if you have a partner who's sleeping beside you and moves a lot during night time. Let me also tell you about the edge support as well. We usually sit a lot on the edge of the bed, right, while talking to somebody, or maybe while wearing shoes, or even using your phone or some other scenario. And many mattresses sink heavily around the edges, guys, and do not feel that stable. But that is not the case over here. As you people can see, even when I'm sitting on the edge of this mattress, the mattress seems to maintain its shape and offers like a firm support and is surprisingly quite stable. Definitely adds to your day-to-day comfort. Well, that's it guys, time to wrap it up. That was our video on Wakefit's Orthopedic Classic Memory Foam Mattress. As I've told you just now, it's a good quality mattress. You're getting 3-layer structure and offers like comfortable experience and good firm support for your back as well. Good for natural spine alignment. But the best part is, as I've told you at the beginning, Wakefit offers like 100 days of risk-free trial. So not just 1 or 2 days, you can actually use it for long term, guys. Sleep on it for a couple of days and then decide if you want to keep it or return. If you're genuinely satisfied or not, then you can decide and maybe return it. They won't even ask you any sort of question. And on top of that, you people know, right, Wakefit is not a new brand. They've been in this market since quite some time and they're quite reputable, guys. They have over 55 lakh plus happy customers and over 1 lakh plus 5-star reviews on their products. And lastly, coming to the warranty part, this particular mattress comes with like 10 years of warranty. I'll try to leave all the details and website link as well, product link, everything in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got all the information you're looking for, make sure to smash that that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.